Hey guys, thank you for joining me. I have with me the new Natasha Denona Glam Palette. For today's video, I decided to just play with this palette, made a few different looks so that I can show you guys how these eyeshadows perform, how they work together, and hopefully share some looks that if you have this palette or similar shades, you can also recreate for yourself. Since I have already used this technically 3 times, I am going to show you guys 3 looks with this in a little bit. I feel like I can say that this palette, if you own any Natasha Denona palette, it will not disappoint. The palette is gorgeous. Let me show you the inside real quick. Like I said, this is a 15 pan palette. It does have the little holes here in the back so that if you want to pull out the eyeshadows, you're able to do that. And this palette is quite unique because this is full of cool toned shadows. Now, I myself love cool toned eyeshadows, but I do not use them very often. And because of that, I was hesitant on purchasing this palette for myself. I had originally told myself I was not going to get it, but well, here we are. I ended up caving in and I swatched it the other day. I shared it with you guys on Instagram and I was just in awe with how beautiful these eyeshadows actually are. As far as the formula, I'm very happy with it. It is what I would expect from Natasha Denona, but I really didn't think I was going to fall in love with these eyeshadows as much as I did. Now, with all of that being said, although I really do like the formula and although I really do love these eyeshadows individually, I felt like once I played with this palette, I was getting a little bit stuck as to what type of looks I wanted to create to make sure there was an actual difference between one look to the next and then the next. So I hope I did a good job with that. You guys let me know in the comments down below what you think, but I did want to use this a little bit differently. The first look is for sure going to be a lot more simple to achieve. The second one is going to be a little bit of a, I don't really like to say it's a halo eye because I'm not the best at doing halo eyes, but something like that's definitely more on the smoky side. And then what I am wearing right now is the third and final look. Overall, I do think this is a beautiful palette, but I do not think it is a palette for everyone. So if you are on the fence, hopefully this video helps you out. Or if you guys just want to hang out and watch a girl put on some eyeshadow, then keep on watching. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed those 3 little tutorials. I tried to make it calming and just about the actual shadows in this palette and how they perform again in the eyes and how they perform together, just as I mentioned earlier. Before I let you guys go, I do have some really exciting news that I want to share with you guys, and I'm going to make it very brief. This Friday, the 30th, I am going to be doing my very first live video. I am very excited and I'm equally as nervous, but I hope if you guys are able to, you can join me along with 2 other of my very close YouTube friends here, Yadi and Lexi. We will be getting together at 9 p.m. Eastern. I know it's a little bit late, but bring your drinks with you and bring your monthly favorites, because we are going to be getting together and just having a girls' night. Guys are allowed as long as you're into makeup, and just talking about makeup. And I want you guys, if you're able to also engage with us and just make this a little bit more purposeful, because as I say on most of my videos, I am here to talk about makeup, so that is exactly what we will be doing. We will be talking about our October favorites. So do not forget, set your alarms, bring your drinks or your snacks, come and hang out with us. It is going to be so much fun. I am so looking forward to it. So I really hope that you guys can make it. That is it as far as my announcement. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give me a thumbs up, and if you have not yet, do not forget to subscribe so you do not miss out on any of my future videos. Thank you guys so much for spending some time with me today. Until next time.